We out here, we not going.
Welcome again, people. Back to the channel. I'm sure you know say everybody there about the curfew and knows you must stay inside after certain hours. But from the 100 or so people, you always go have one or few people that get themselves problem. Like for example, this man we have right here. So if you hear when they behave and they talk about Andrew Holness and they talk about the police. So people like this in a society make things get worse for other people. Just watch your gun. I play the clip so you can see what's going on.
Andrew will pick the water. Big pussy police, Andrew's gonna suck your mama, you can't do nothing. We out here, we not going, see there? Life me and make sure go. We out here, we not going. Andrew is a suck cock. You can't have a control again, you walk on control, man. Go suck your mama. Bad man, yeah, see there, Andrew in them, since bad man friends today. We not going a blood clot tonight.
And the funny thing about this is, the next clip I'm going to show you, you get arrested tonight. But anything you get to serve him right, hope you get 1,000 years. Anyway, like and share and subscribe. Peace.
Man, this is a big pussy police.